Hello friends, welcome to Reader Hub. Today we'll discuss some important history question for all exam. Okay, this is very important. That is today is our ancient history lecture number 2. Okay, first question: which one of the following is the oldest Veda? Option A Yajur Veda, option B Rig Veda, option C Samaveda, option D Atharvaveda. Answer is option B Rig Veda. Okay, Rig Veda is the oldest Veda. Okay, in which period? That is Vedic period. Okay, the term Aryan denotes option A an ethnic group, option B a nomadic people, option C a speech group, option D a superior race. Aryan term denotes what? Option D a superior race. Okay. Question number 3. Who of the following gods was considered as the war god in the Vedic pantheon? Option A Varuna, option B Indra, option C Agni, option D Mitra. Answer is option B Indra. You can remember it as in TV or cinemas. Indra is looking to always fighting with asuras. Okay, you can remember like that. Okay, in the early Vedic period, it is Indra was mostly used. Okay, and later Vedic period there is the introduction of three gods, that is Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. Sorry, Shiva. Okay, so in the early Vedic period, that is Indra. Okay, so who of the following god was considered the war god in the Vedic pantheon? That is Indra. Okay, very important question. Option answer match list with list 2. List 1 Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. List 2 musical hymn and rituals, charms and spells, hymns and prayers. Rigveda is related to what? Hymn and prayers. Okay. Yajurveda is related to hymn and rituals. Okay. Samaveda is related to musical hymn. That means Samaveda introduced to music. Okay. Atharvaveda, that is charms and spells. Okay. So answer is option A. Sorry. Okay. There is a similarity in Avesta and Rigveda. From which region the Avesta is related to? Option A India, option B Iran, option C Israel, option D Egypt. Answer is option B Iran. Okay. Avesta, remind, Avesta related to Iran. Okay, this is a very important question. Who among the following was the most popular god of early Vedic Aryans? I have already told just in 2 or 3 question. Question number 2 or 3. Varuna, Vishnu, Rudra and Indra. Answer is Indra. Okay. Early Vedic, in early Vedic popular god is Indra. Okay. Who among the following is regarded as war god in the Rig Veda? Oh, question repeated. Okay. So let's see what is the answer. You can comment this. Okay. Option A Agni, option B Indra, option C Surya, option D Varuna. War god is answer Indra. Okay. In which of the Vedas Sabha and Samiti are called as two daughters of Prajapati? Rigveda, Samaveda, Ajurveda, Atharvaveda. Answer is Atharvaveda. Okay, Sabha Samiti are called as two daughters of Prajapati in Atharvaveda. Okay. During the Rigvedic period, Varniska was used for a jewelry, but in later period it was used for the meaning of dash, arms, farming equipment, script, coin. Here is 2 questions you can extract, like Niska was used as during Ripeti period, that is jewelry, and after that used for the meaning of coin. Okay, during Ripati period, Niska related used for jewelry. After that, coin. Okay, who among the following was Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of Vedas? Option A Lopamudra, option B Gargi, option C Lilavati, option D Savitri. Answer is option A Lopamudra. Brahmavadini, okay, who composed hymn for Vedas, okay, Lopamudra. Famous battle of 10 kings was fought on the bank of the river of Dash, the Ganges, Brahmaputra, Kaveri, Purushni. Battle of 10 kings, okay, famous battle. Remember that. That is bank of Purushni, okay. Purushni or Parushni, whatever you pronounce is, okay. Fundamental or basic script of the Rig Veda was what? Option A Devanagari, option B Kharosthi, option C Pali, option D Brahmi. Answer is Brahmi. Okay, Brahmi is the basic script of Rig Veda. Okay, that is in Brahmin script Rig Veda was written. Okay, who composed the Gayatri Mantra? Option A Vasishtha, option B Vishwamitra, option C Indra, option D Parikshita. Answer is option B Vishwamitra. Okay, Gayatri Mantra who is composed? That is Vishwamitra. Okay, just related. Okay, you can remember it like that. Okay, the ancient is easy because we have already known that word by Puranic stories or from our ancestors. Okay, in TV serial most of you the Ramayana, Mahabharata, we have used that word Indra, Varuna. Okay, like that you have, but medieval we have no such movies like that, or we are not interested in whatever it may be. Okay, but we know the like the goddess name. Okay, we praise them as goddess, so you know the names. Okay, it is easy to remember you. Okay, Niska in ancient India was known as, just I have before tell, what is gold ornament, cows, copper coins, silver coins. Answer is gold ornament. Okay, I have told there is two questions. Okay, this guy is, okay, just mark the two question. Okay, 15. During the Rigvedic period, Niska was an ornament of dash, ear, neck, arms, wrist. What is answer is neck. Okay, master mark the three question 15, 14, and 9. Okay, and that's it for today. If you like the video, you can share it, you can subscribe, you can like it for my motivation. Okay, and thanks for the thank you. The future depends on what you do today, so utilize today. Okay, if you lost something, then don't worry, the today is already made for you. Okay, no worry, start reading, be happy, stay happy. Okay, thank you.